Morning, y'all. It's Kentucky Coke Dipper 81, and I'm out in the woods. It's November 12th at 9:14 a.m. and I've been out here since before daylight, and I ain't seen shit. But it's opening day, so they're probably hiding. And heard a bunch of shots this morning. Hopefully I'll get a chance to shoot one this afternoon. I took off work for 9 days yesterday, so I'm going to have 9 days out of the 16 to hunt all day, every day. And then I'll just hunt mornings when I go back to work. So I got my a CVA Apex 30-06. This is not going to be really a dipping video. Hopefully this will be like a part 1. Then if I shoot a deer, then I'll make a part 2. Then that'll be more of a dipping video. I'll dip while I'm laying on the deer. So, well, we'll get out of here and see if I can see anything later.